Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have some new sticker books to flip through and then some new to me items from Live Love Posh. So there's a release tomorrow on Tuesday the 16th. And I will have the time details down in the description. Also my affiliate link and a discount code if you're interested in purchasing. I'm just going to flip through everything so you can see what's going to be available. I have some of the new paper from Live Love Posh. She came out with a bunch of different paper packs and also planner packs, like planner pages. So I have a few of these to flip through, and then I have the new sticker books, which are florals, seasonal florals. So I'm gonna flip through these, but I actually want to go over these first because I'm really loving this. Actually, all of it. I really like dot grid paper, and this is a nice neutral dot grid. Let me open this up. But yeah, it's nice neutral dot grid paper. I like that there is actually no design on the side, which is perfect. This is perfect for like all those special planner pages and just note taking. I love taking notes and just writing on dot grid versus like lined. Even at work, I like using this kind of paper. So this is dot grid, double-sided, 50 pages in here, and that is a new pack from Live Love Posh. And then the other pages that I got, this is another item that I'll probably be able to use at work too. It's the minimal checklist. Oh, and I got all classic size paper because that's what I use is classic. I believe there's other sizes, so definitely check out the site if you like what you see here to see if it's available in the other sizes. So yeah, I have the classic filler paper, the minimal checklist. I thought this one was interesting because it reminded me a little bit of the monthly layout, which is what I use at work. This would be good to take to work too, or like list making. So actually, yeah, this is a long list. So you could have like whatever task you need to do, or maybe like the day, if you need a little bit more room for things to check off. And then you have a whole list here, and then you can do another one here. Again, I think this would be perfect for how I use my work planner, because right now I'm using the monthly layout from the Happy Planner, which is basically just like all these little checklists. And this is kind of basically the same thing. So that is double-sided, 50 sheets on that one as well. Minimal checklist. And then I did get a planner layout, the quad lined layout. This is a classic dated planner. Oh, it's dated. Oh yeah, okay. I didn't think it would be dated. 2024 weekly planner inserts. Nice. Okay, little sleeve fell off. Okay, so I got all the pages together. Okay, so this is the 2024 weekly planner quad lined, double-sided as well, includes 12 months of monthly and weekly pages. Okay, so 2024. Okay, so this is interesting. Oh, so it's the whole planner. You'll be able to choose your own. You have a cover, your disc, put all that in there. But it says, hello, the planner belongs to. You put your name there. Has the years. Oh, there's a little section for birthdays. So you have year at a glance, little note section over here, note section here. You have January top 3 important dates and birthdays, and focus on your monthly view. Nice. And then the quad section. This is another layout that I was thinking would be cool to use for work too. Like maybe this section I could just white out and use for notes, like Saturday and Sunday. But you have a this week section, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And they're all lined. Nice. Okay, so those are the weeklies. And then it goes into the next month. Now, obviously there's no dividers on these. So if you have like dividers, you can always put your own dividers in between these two pages, I would recommend, because this is where it starts off the new month. And then you can put a divider, or you get like little tabs to label the sides. That's always another option. But yeah, that is the layout. I just thought this was a cool, different layout that I hadn't seen before. So that one is fun. definitely going to do some like plan with me's with this and try to incorporate it into my lineup in a way, because I feel like this will be nice. Maybe even for like social media planning or something. Yeah, that's a nice layout. Okay, and there's other layouts. There were a few other layouts. There's like a vertical layout there. There were something like a dashboard type of layout too. So definitely check out the site, because this isn't the only layout planner wise that they came out with. And these are not the only paper options too. There are other options. I just have 3 of the options that are available. Okay, so now that we're done with the paper, we can go over the sticker books, which there are 4 sticker books. We have Lux Winter, Lux Fall, Lux Summer, and Lux Spring. So I'm just gonna flip through these so you can see what they're all about. All right, so first up is Lux Spring. Ooh, nice big florals on this page, and they are clear. So you get a duplicate sheet of that one. And I really like how big these are, and these are clear. Same kind of florals on this one. Blue and pink. Some little ones, that'd be a nice little like garden kind of scene. Some reddish and pink ones. Ooh, that one's really pretty. That nice bright pink color. Smaller version of that one. Ooh, little butterflies on this one. Pinks and purples and blues. And then I like that there's some like just separate pieces. Those are nice. Okay, and then these are paper. So far, all of those other pages were clear, and now these are paper. And then we have some boxes. Ooh, some nice little checklists. So spring colors on the boxes. Headers, bullet points, and boxes. Oops. And then different color scheme on this one. Purples and blues. Okay, so that is Lux Spring. So it looks like you're gonna get duplicate sheets of each design, mixture of clear and paper, and then you get some decorative or functional stuff in this book, which is nice because it helps when you're making a spread to kind of have a little bit of everything in a book to use. Next is Lux Summer. Okay, so here's the first floral page, and these are clear. These nice bright summery colors. Cute little tropical flowers with the flamingos and the pineapples. More tropical. I love a good tropical spread. So you got some leaves, bird of paradise. I do know that one. My grandma had those in her front yard. Nice bright summer colors on this one. These are clear. We have some single ones here. So these are fun. They're like multicolored leaves. Those are pretty. Ooh. That's gonna make for a nice spread. It's really pretty. Some palm trees. Love palm trees too. All right, now we're getting into the paper stickers on this page. And then the boxes. And more boxes. Nice bright summery colors here. Ooh, last page is gonna be the same. Okay, so that is Lux Summer. Next is Lux Fall. which we're still in winter, so. But I love fall and winter sticker books. Like, look at these colors, they're so pretty. These like oranges and reds and browns. Some pumpkins mixed in there. Ooh, that green is really pretty. Love purple, especially for some like Halloween spreads. That's really pretty. Ooh, that one's really pretty. I'm like just seeing future spreads with like spider webs on it and stuff. Ooh, that's a pretty pink. That's different. Some pumpkins mixed in there too. Okay, like more traditional fall colors on this one. That one's cute too. The leaves, the pumpkins, blue and orange, and pumpkins. Lots of pumpkins. Ooh, that one's really pretty. And then the boxes. And the bullet points and the headers. I like that she includes headers because I like using headers. And then that's the last page. Okay, so that is Lux Fall. And then last one is Lux Winter, which is still winter time, so this one I could still use. Ooh, that's pretty. The pinks and greens. Very Christmassy vibes on this one. Purples. Got some larger ones here. Oh, that's too adorable. It's a pretty green. And more of that green. We got some larger florals. I really like these large sizes. Those are pretty. Okay, some dark red and pinks. Oh, that one's cute with the little bird. And then the blues and pinks and reds. Pretty purples. These are paper. And then the boxes. This one's like a very Christmassy color scheme. That one's pretty. And then some pinks and blues. Nice. All right, so that is Lux Winter. Those are the sticker books that are releasing. Definitely check it out if you're interested. It'll be linked down in the description again with a code if you're interested in purchasing. Definitely use a code. There's a few codes out there. But definitely use a 10% off code if you can. Okay, so I just had to double check my notes. So the code, there's gonna be a box set where you could purchase this all together in a bundle. I think it's a little bit cheaper if you do it that way, but you can't use the code on that. But if you just wanna get like the fall sticker book, I think you can purchase separately and then you can use a code. This too, you can use a code. Also, when I was flipping through this book, this felt different, this paper, sticker paper, and I believe it is different. So I'm just gonna do since this is dated and I can't use, like these days are already passed. So I'm just gonna use these pages just to decorate one side, I think, just to see how these stickers are. Okay, so we'll do winter because we're in winter right now. And I kind of want to use these. These are pretty. I feel like these will be nice. So let me get little, I like these corner pieces. So let's try it out. It does feel like thicker. which is nice. Okay, so this is just gonna go right in the corner. It's so nice, it's already like cut and ready to like just put down. Doesn't take up too much room, so that's good. Okay, so we got a little decor there. And then I can add maybe just a little bit more. Let's do this side one. So I feel like with a spread like this, keeping everything a little bit more to the edges is a good idea because it doesn't take up too much room. Like especially over here, like utilizing this punched edge right here because there's all this space is a good way to get stuff on the page. And then we just add a little one. Just do it in the middle here. Okay, and then let's see the boxes. Let's see how these will work. Oh, do these colors even go? I could do this pink color. I'll do a couple boxes. Also, I want to try these checklists. I'm sure they're not made for this, but I just want to try it here. Yeah, it doesn't match up perfectly, but that's okay. But yeah, and then just add like little boxes here and there. Sorry, I wish I had more. Actually, I could do the red color. Let's see. More like Valentine's vibes. Do a red up here. Do a little one down here. Let's see if I can do that. I really like these checklists. They're really thin, which I appreciate. A nice thin checklist. Okay, you kind of get the idea. Just wanted to try them out, especially these stickers, because it did say that they were new, like, type of sticker. Okay. Sorry, not my best plan with me, but I just wanted to try it out on this new layout because this one's a little bit different. I feel like there's still enough room to write in, so that's good. But yeah, I just wanted to try it out really quick. All right, so again, if you're interested in purchasing these items, they will be available tomorrow, and I'll have all that info linked down in the description, all that info in the description, so you can check it out for yourself, see if you want to purchase. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.